everyone, welcome to Passion Studies. So today we'll be discussing the syllabus and how to manage your time during an examination for class 12th English paper. So first we'll go through your syllabus and the different topics that we are going to cover this year. So firstly, you have the reading comprehension for 20 marks, under which there are going to be MCQs of 1 mark each. So 10 questions for each of the paragraphs. Okay, so one of these is an unseen paragraph, whereas the other one will be case based, okay, where facts will be given under graphs or maybe tables. Okay, so you need to write accordingly. After that, we again have 20 marks for literature. These are again MCQs. So 2 prose extracts, okay, and poetry, 1 poetry and 2 proses, okay, and again some general interpretation based MCQs from both of the books for 8 marks, right? So 4 marks here and 8 marks here again. So this makes it 20 marks and 20 marks. So part A is completely objective and it's for 40 marks, okay? 40 marks will be completely objective. Next we have the subjective paper. So under this, the writing section comprises of 16 marks, 16 full marks, okay? So there'll be a short writing task, be it notice, advertisement or posters, for 50 words and 3 marks, okay? So first question is a short composition. Again a short composition. And here invitations and replies are going to come again for 3 marks, right? So this is for 3 marks, this is for 3 marks again. Then these are comparatively long ones, long compositions, so their letter will come, and if you see, these are application for a job, letter to the editor, and then official or business letters, that is inquiries, complaints, etc. okay, placing orders and replies. Okay, these are for 5 marks. Next again we have the very long compositions. These are for 120 to 150 words and consist of 5 marks. These are the article, debate, speech and report writing, okay, where you have to analyze and write in your own words. Okay, so this whole section comprises of 16 marks. Next we have the literature section, which is for 24 marks, under which we have 5 short answer type questions, okay, and you have an option. 6 questions will be given, you have to attempt only 5, so keep that in mind. And these are of 2 marks each, so that makes it 10. Alright, again we have 2 short questions from V-Stars, and these are again for 2 marks each, so this makes it again 4. And 1 long answer type from poem, so this is a 5 marker, and another long answer type based on the chapter, so this is again a 5 marker, so these make it 10 marks. Okay, so again this whole section of yours is for 40 marks, right? Now we are going to discuss how to go on about attempting the paper. Okay, so firstly you have your objective part, so I would suggest start with the objective, that way you will be completed with the maximum amount of questions and marks both, and these require very less time. Okay, so first in the reading type, like we discussed, there will be 10 MCQs and there are 2 passages. Okay, so 8 marks for reading the passage and 20 marks for attempting the questions, right? So 1 minute each MCQ, okay, so that way under 1 hour you will be completed with your whole unseen comprehension, okay, the whole reading based. Next we have the literature MCQ. So there are 20 MCQs, again 1 mark each, and you're going to spend only 2 minutes per question, okay, maximum. I would suggest 1.5 minutes, but at max take 2 minutes, and under that you will be done within 40 minutes, okay. Next, when we come to the writing skills section, there are 2 questions of 3 marks, that is, these are the short compositions, and the 5 marker ones are the long compositions. So you are going to take only 5 minutes for the short compositions, because you are going to be done writing within 3 minutes, and plus 2 minutes for decoration or making a box or wherever required. Okay, so that will make it 5 minutes, and 8 marker for the long writing type questions where you just have to write. There is no format as such for decorations or anything or a box, so you just write. Okay, so this will take you what, 26 minutes. Okay, and then when we come to the literature section, there are 7 questions of 2 marks each. Okay, so you're going to take on 3 minutes per question. All right, and for the 5 markers you're going to take 8 minutes. So there are 2 questions, so 16 minutes. Okay, so this will come out to be 37 minutes. So when we add it all up, so it comes out to be approximately 2 hours and 40 minutes, and you're still left with 20 minutes. Okay, use this time for revision. So that way, not only will you be done with the paper thoroughly, but you'll also be able to check for any mistakes that you've made. Like spelling mistakes are very important to check. Okay, so before submitting your paper, check for 2 things. 1, spellings. 2, if you have missed out on anything, right, or grammatical errors. Because see, sometimes whenever we're writing long paragraphs, we sometimes tend to miss a word. Okay, so just make sure your sentences are perfectly framed, right? So with that, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching.